We are going to start the exercise 6.5. Question number 1. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. If PQ equal to 10 cm and PR equal to 24 cm, find QR. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. We have to draw a rough figure. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. So, angle P should be 90 degree. So, first you have to mark angle P because the given triangle is right angled at P. Measure of angle P is 90 degree. Now, we can give Q and R for the name of other two vertices. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. PQ equal to 10 cm. So, the measure of PQ is given 10 cm and PR equal to 24 cm. Now, find the length of QR. You have to find the length of QR. Now, what about this QR? QR is the side which is opposite to 90 degree. Therefore, we can call QR as the hypotenuse. So, we have to find the length of the hypotenuse. So, the given triangle is a right angled triangle. So, we can apply Pythagoras property. So, what is Pythagoras property? The square on the, in a right angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on its legs. So, we can write according to Pythagoras property, QR square, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on its legs. So, PQ is given as 10 cm and PR is given as 24 cm. So, we can write as PQ square or QP square, both are same, plus PR square. So, QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. Now, we have to substitute the values. Now, PQ is 10, therefore, PQ square is 10 square, then plus PR is 24 cm, therefore, we can write it as 24 square. 10 square plus 24 square equal to 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10 which is equal to 100 plus 24 square. So, 24 into 24. So, 576. Now, 100 plus 576 equal to 676. So, we got QR square equal to 676. Now, 676 is the square of which number? 676 is the square of which number? So, we can apply the prime factorization method. 676 you have to factorize using the prime numbers. So, 676 is an even number. So, we can start with the 2. 2 3s are 6, then 2 3s are 6, then 2 8, 338, again with the 2, 169, and 169 we can divide by 13 only. So, 13 100. Therefore, 676 is equal to 2 into 2 into 13 into 30. We wrote all the prime factors of 676. Then we can write as 2 is repeated 2 times. So, we can write 2 square into 13 is repeated 2 times. We can write as 13 square. 2 is repeated 2 times, therefore 2 square. 13 is repeated 2 times, so it is a 13 square. Now, we can combine these two. We can write as 2 into 13 the whole square. Now, 2 into 13 means it is a 26. So, 26 square. So, 676 is the square of 26. So, 26 into 26 is 676. So, we can write as 676 equal to 26 square. Therefore, QR square is equal to 26 square. QR square is equal to 26 square. Therefore, QR is equal to 26 centimeter. QR square is equal to 26 square. So, which implies that QR equal to 26 centimeter. So, what is the length of QR? Length of QR equal to 26 centimeter. Next question. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. If AB equal to 25 centimeter and AC equal to 7 centimeter, find BC. So, here also we can draw a rough figure. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. Right angled at C. So, the measure of angle C is 90 degree. Then we can name the other two vertices as A and B. Now, AB equal to 25 centimeter. So, the side which is opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse and the length of hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. AC 7 centimeter. The length of one of the leg is 7 centimeter. So, we have to find the length of BC. So, the given triangle is a right angled triangle. So, we can apply Pythagoras property. According to Pythagoras property, square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on its legs. So, the hypotenuse is AB, therefore, AB square on the hypotenuse equal to the sum of the squares on its legs, sum of the squares of other two sides. So, AC square plus BC square, AC square plus BC square. Now, we have to give the values for AB and AC. AB is 25 centimeter. So, we can write as 25 square equal to AC square 7. So, we can write as 7 square. We can put the bracket or without the bracket also you can write it. So, 7 square plus BC square. So, 25 square is equal to 7 square plus BC square. Now, what is 25 square? 25 square means 25 into 25. 25 into 25. 625. So, 625 is equal to 7 square. 7 into 7, 49 plus BC square. So, we can write as 49 plus BC square is equal to 625. 49 plus BC square is equal to 625. Now we have to find out the length of BC. So first of all we have to find out BC square. So BC square is equal to 625 minus 49. You have already learned how to solve a simple equation. Therefore, BC square is equal to 625 minus 49 equal to 625 minus 49. 576. Now we have to find out 576 is the square of which number. If you want, you can learn the squares. 1 square 1, 2 square 2, 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, like that. But it is very difficult to remember the values. Suppose if you want to find out 576 is the square of which number, we can apply or we can use prime factorization method. Now 576. You can start with the 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 288. Again with the 2. 144. 2. 72. Again with the 2. 36. Then 2. 18. 2. 9. 3. 3 and 3, 1. Therefore, 576 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2s, 2 into 2. Into then 3. 3 into 3. Now we can group them. 2 2s you have to take it. Then 2 into 2 we can write as a 2 square. Again take the next 2. We can take it as 2 square. Again next 2, 2 square. Again 3 into 3 we can take it as 3 square. Now we expressed each factor in terms of squares. So we can combine this, we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, put the bracket and you have to put the square. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 3, 24. So 576 is the square of which number? 24. So 24 square equal to 576. So we can write 24 square. So BC square is equal to 24 square. So which implies that length of BC equal to 24. So length of BC is equal to 24 centimeter. BC square is equal to 24 square. Therefore, BC equal to 24 centimeter. Now next question, question number 4. Which of the following can be the sides of a right triangle? Now the length of 3 sides of a triangle are given. We have to check whether the triangle is possible with these measures. A right triangle is possible. So here also if you want you can draw a rough figure. Then you can name the triangle A, B, C, and we will take angle B equal to 90 degree. Then out of these 3 measures, which one you have to take it as the length of the hypotenuse? In a right triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. So the out of these 3 measures, the largest measure you can take it as the length of the hypotenuse. So, the side which is opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse. So, AC we can take as 6.5 centimeter. Then the other two sides we can take it as, one of them you can take it as 2.5 centimeter and the other one you can take as 6 centimeter. Now we have to apply the Pythagoras property. If the given triangle satisfies the Pythagoras property, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. So according to Pythagoras property, the square on the hypotenuse, that is AC square. AC square is equal to sum of the squares on its legs, that is AB square plus BC square. Now AC square means 6.5 square equal to AB 6 square plus BC is 2.5 square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC, the value of AC is 6.5, 6.5 square plus equal to 6 square plus 2.5 square. Now we have to verify. Now what is 6.5 square? So we can find out 65 into 65 . So 4225, we have two decimal places. So the answer will be 42.25 equal to 6 square is 36 plus 2.5 square. 2.5 square, how can you find out? You can find out 25 into 25. $625 and 2.5 into 2.5, 2.5 into 2.5. So we have two decimal places, total number of decimal places is 2, therefore the answer is 6.25. So in one side we got 42.25, the other side 36 plus 6.25. Now we have to add it, 36 plus 6.25. 5, 2, so we got it as 42.25. So what we can say? So these are the length of the sides of a right angle triangle. So is it possible to have a triangle with the following lengths? Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. So which angle you can take it as the right angle? Angle between the length of, angle between the lengths 6 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter, we can take it as the right angle. So out of these three angles A, B and C, which angle you have to take it as a right angle? That means the angle between the sides 6 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter can be taken as the right angle. Now homework, exercise 6.5, question number 4, second and third one. That is all for today's class. Thank you.